We'll guide you through how to fix the video call problem on WhatsApp on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone on WhatsApp and I'm facing a video call problem. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this, as this is really annoying because you're then unable to go and make video calls and go and talk to people. I really like doing video calls as they're a lot more personal than just a normal phone call, as I can go and see them. So we're going to walk you through how you can go about fixing problems you may be running into. Make sure it's this full guide as we're covering important methods throughout the whole video. So to go and get started, let's come into a chat. So let's say I want to go and call this person here. I'll press the video button at the top and it then says to place calls, WhatsApp needs access to your iPhone's microphone. Tap settings and turn on microphone, and this applies to the camera as well, by the way. Your pop-up may be slightly different. So I'll just go and press cancel here. Now what you need to do is come and open up the settings app on your iPhone, scroll all the way down and find the option for apps. Then in here we can go and find WhatsApp, scroll down to W as it's alphabetical, so WhatsApp will be in there. As you can see, here it is. So what you want to do is go and locate the microphone and camera setting. Now, these may be missing for you. If they are, don't worry. If you can see them though, turn these both on like so, and then what you can do is come to WhatsApp, come to where you want to make the call and press it, and the call should then go and start. As you can see, it's now working. As I said, if these are missing, there are some different things you can try doing. So first of all, you need to go and try restarting your iPhone. You can do this with a force restart. Press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Keep this held down. You'll go and see the slide to power off screen, but just keep it held down. Surely it will go black, and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. Then your iPhone will restart. You want to come back here and hopefully the microphone and camera settings will then be visible. If you're finding they still aren't, then what you want to do is come back to your main settings. Scroll up, find the option for general. Scroll down and you want to go and find transfer or reset iPhone. You can go down and press reset, and then what you can do is go and press reset location and privacy. When you go and do that, that'll go and reset the camera and microphone permissions. And so then what you can do is go back to WhatsApp, try making a call, and you should then go and get the allow pop-ups, which you can then allow. If you're still finding that won't work, then what you need to do is try deleting WhatsApp. What I recommend you do is in WhatsApp is you go to settings in the bottom right, you can go and press on chats, go and find chat backup. And what I recommend you do is you go and do a backup. So you can go and press backup now, wait for this to complete. When it's complete, come out of it. You can tap on hold on WhatsApp and you want to go and press remove app, and you can press delete app. After you've gone and deleted it, you can get it back from the App Store. Then when you've gone and installed it, open it up, and during the setup process, you can restore the backup. And then after you've got it set up again and it's gone and been restored, you can then go and try making a call, and hopefully then it will go and work. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.